Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the fuel tank on your string trimmer, make sure the engine has cooled. We recommend performing this procedure with no fuel in the tank. Using a T25 Torx bit, unthread the 3 mounting screws securing the tank. Note the orientation of the fuel lines, then detach them from the carburetor ports to fully remove the old tank. Install the new fuel tank by first attaching the fuel lines to the appropriate carburetor ports. Fully position the tank and thread the 3 mounting screws to secure. Fill the new tank with fuel, and your string trimmer should be ready for use.